crazy, man. I never would've thought music could've got us this far. Y'all have no idea how many sleepless and hungry nights we spent on the fucking floor and couches just trying to get to this point. But no matter how hard the road gets, you gotta stay the course, man. Keep chasing these pavements until you don't gotta run anymore. Lace up.
Fall asleep until the dream comes. Motherfuck reality. Happiness, I think I need some. So I overdose on fantasy. My life's equation ain't complicated, just a combination of hated denominators as stated. No rest plus excess and abuse of prescription meds. Time stress equals out to be the motherfucking mess that is Kells, the boy with no home. That's why I live in your speakers through this song. That's why they turn it up so loud the bass hits and you can feel me when I'm gone. And when I die, spread my message like the Quran. Motherfuckers getting paid, I'm just trying to get saved. 7 years of living crooked, I'm just trying to get straight. All this crack in my city, even though these streets paved, makes me wonder if I should let all my life dreams wait, or should I
keep on chasing pavements? Should I keep on chasing pavements?
or should I
keep on chasing pavements? Should I keep on chasing pavements?
bored out of my mind? I need a fucking job, but they ain't hiring shit. That's why I fucking rob. Had to hustle, cause unless you got them test scores, college is only coming around here looking for Brett Favre, for the next star, or if you 6'4", and if you can pitch, but other than that shit you just pitch raw. That's why I'm pissed for, cause if you ain't worth a couple dollars, these scholars looking like what do we need him for? I'm saying, just because I ain't Kareem, you telling me I should give up on my dream? You telling me I ain't shit cause I ain't working for degrees or on a team? This country's flag is a joke, that shit should be painted green. Tell me, when was currency valued over a human being? When we stand for nothing, we falling for anything. But EST's for life, and that's exactly what I'll scream. Misunderstood until they answer one thing. What's that? I ask these motherfuckers, or should I just keep on? I can barely talk, by the way. My mouth is fucking closed because I just had surgery. You know, a motherfucker just got a record deal. We got dental insurance now. Biatch. Yeah.